Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to use your eyes to open or close any apps in iPhone or iPad devices. So without for more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the settings and just click on this general and click on this software update. So you need to update to this iOS 18.1.1 or higher than that. So firstly, check for any newer software version updates. And after that, just move back and click on this accessibility and just scroll down below. Now you can see here eye tracking, just click on it. Now just enable it. Now it will show you some instructions, as you can see. So you need to follow the line. So just move your head and eyes similarly as per as the instruction. So the instruction has completed. Now you can see here some markings showing up and above. Now you can see here as soon as I move my eyes, as you can see a black dot marking. So you can see here. So let us open some applications, say gallery. You can see it's opening the gallery. You can see a black circle or dots as soon as I keep moving. So you can see here it's working perfectly. So if you want to disable it, just move back to the settings and just turn this off. Click on yes. Now the eye tracking has been disabled again. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily use your eyes to open or close any apps in iPhone or iPad devices very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.